Hello students, I am back here, so now I can explain to you what you're going to do in your math assignment today, which is on page 423. Okay, but before I explain to you what your assignment is, I want to go over the concepts that you've been learning at today's lesson. Now we have been learning how to classify triangles by their angles and by their sides, but today we're only going to focus how to classify those triangles by the sides, okay? So as I read, I want you to follow me so that when we get to the end of the page, you know exactly what you have to do. And it says, you can also describe triangles by the number of sides that are of equal length. In these triangles, three sides are equal in length. Okay, so let's look at the orange triangles. As you can notice, these triangles all have three sides that are equal length. Okay, even if this is bigger than this one, they have the same characteristic, is that their three sides are equal. Okay, now let's remember how we call a triangle that has three equal sides. Let's think about that. I remember a triangle that has three equal sides is called equilateral. Okay, now let's look at the blue triangles. In these triangles, two sides are equal in length, only two this time. Okay, so for example, this one here has two long sides, and then they have one that's small. Okay, in this one, these two sides are the same length, but this one is a longer one. In this one, these two sides are the same, but this one is a shorter. And in this one, these two sides are the same, but this one is a larger side. Okay, now let's remember, how do we call triangles that have two equal sides only? Two. Let's think about that. Okay, so a triangle that has two equal sides is called isosceles. Let's keep that in mind, okay? Now let's go to the yellow ones. In these triangles, no sides are equal in length. None of them, okay? So let's observe the first one here. As you can see, there's one side that's the largest, and then there's another side that is long too, but it's not as large as this one. And then the third side is even shorter than those two sides. Okay? Same with the other three triangles. As you can see, or you can notice, all of their sides are different. Okay? Now let's remember how we call a triangle that has different sides. Let's think about it. Okay, so a triangle that has three different sides is called scalene. Okay, so let's remember that for the next time. Now, your assignment is to use triangles B, C, and D to answer the following question. Question number 1 says, which triangle has three sides of equal length? Okay, so is it B, C, or D? Which triangle has three equal sides? Okay, when you know the answer, you're going to write it on top of the line here. Next question says, which triangle has two sides of equal length or is equilateral? Okay, is it B or C or D? Write the letter on top of the line. And then the last question says, which triangle has zero sides of equal length? Is it B, C, or D? Write the letter on the line of the correct triangle. Okay? And that's your assignment for today. I hope that you've learned how to classify a triangle by their sides. Okay? See you next time. Bye.